Happy Halloween! Welcome to Pinchin projects. If you clicked on this video, I guess you're in desperate need of a last minute costume and I got your back. I just finished this coolest emoji shirt ever. This was my inspiration on Etsy, and the thing was, it was $25 and it was like $4.95 to ship it, which is crazy. And I knew I could make it for a whole lot cheaper and last minute. So let's get started. Things you're going to need are t-shirts. I got 3 for $10 at Michael's and they come in size small to 3X. Then you're going to need some HTV or iron-on, a heating press, or an iron. Since this is last minute and we want to be super quick about this, we're going to go ahead and put our shirts in the washer. That way we can go ahead and get that color pigment off, and then we're going to put them in the dryer to get all that lint and fuzz balls off. That way we're working with a nice clean surface. So while our shirts are washing and drying, we're going to go to Etsy and purchase this SVG PNG. You get 60 high quality emojis for just $4 and they look exactly like Apple. The thing I didn't really want was the circles around the facial expressions, and I wanted to add some color, and I was able to do it with ease. And I have never purchased an SVG or PNG ever, or never extracted it and all that good stuff. So let's get designing. We're opening up Cricut Design Space, and I went ahead and put a yellow background since that's the color of our t-shirts. And we are going to go to our file that we just bought. So if we go to wherever you saved it, and here's the emoji bundle right here. It comes compressed and zipped, so if you open it, you have to hit extract all, and then you'll hit OK. Then if you go back here, this is what it will come out to. So then you come here, you can do a PNG or SVG. Click on it, and then there is all of your emojis, all 60. So we're gonna come here to upload and browse. And I am doing the roll eyes. We're gonna hit complex, continue, and since I'm creating it on a yellow t-shirt, I do not want any of this circle. I just want like the facial features. So I clicked off the circle, hit continue, and cut image, and then you could of course name it. Then we're gonna hit this, and we're gonna hit add to canvas. So what I'm going to show you is taking this and adding color to it. So that way you can do this to any emoji and put it on a t-shirt. So what we're going to do is come to shapes, take a circle, and cover in this space. And then we're going to duplicate it, do it to the other side, and then take both circles, and I'm going to hit weld, that way it's just one. And then we're going to take the weld result and the emoji, and we're going to hit slice. Then once you hit slice, what we're going to do is change this over here, the inner eye color, to white, or whatever color you want to do, honestly. And then we're going to take this, delete that, and then we're going to take this and weld it back together, these two, that way it's complete. So, and hit weld, then you take here and you hit group, and there you go. And I'm also going to show you another one. So if we go to, let's go back to upload image, browse, because I want to show you how to do one that might have like the image that you're trying to get is also connected to this outer circle. So like this one, I'm gonna open it, hit complex. See, if I hit the circle, then it erases our hearts, and we don't want that. But do that first. Hit apply and continue. Cut image, upload. So that's your first one for that one. Then we're gonna go back to the exact same image. Open, complex. This time you're gonna do the eyes, the eyebrows, and the mouth, and we're gonna keep this circle. Hit apply and continue. Then you're going to upload both. faces. I'm gonna take this, hit both, align, center, just like that, and that's how it turns out. So in order to get these hearts, but we can remove this outer circle, we're going to go to shapes, and I just did a heart. We're gonna come here, size it where it fits just inside, covering that space, then duplicate it twice, put it in the other ones, then take it and I weld each of my hearts together. Slice. Then we're going to remove this, remove that. All you want to do is keep the hearts and just change this to red or whatever color you want to do it, and there you go. That's the emoji. So that's how you do it in case you have one that's in a circle. So here's my different ones that I did. So this was the before and after of me doing like the cool ray emoji. All I did was separate the mouth and the sunglasses just a little bit. Then this is the eye roll one. So removing the circle and then adding that center white to make the classic eye roll emoji. The next one is this puppy dog one that was able to transform. Again, just adding some white, some more definition. Then the nerdy one, my mom has blue eyes, so I wanted to change the color of that and then add some white to the teeth, of course. So to size, I'm just gonna give it to you really easy. Starting from size small, start with 11 inches wide, and then each size you go up, add an inch. So now with our Cricut, we are going to start cutting out our H2V or iron, whatever one you're using. And just a friendly reminder, make sure to put the shiny side down and make sure to have your mirror on. It's very important because I was on the last draw with my black and I did not know if I was going to be able to make it. It was a miracle I did. And if I messed up, I would have had to run to the store and get some more. So it's very important that you make sure to do that. Then I'm just going to weed all my faces out. Then heat up your heating press. You can go to Cricut Heat Guide, makes it super easy. You put in your material and what you are putting it on. So every day iron on and then 100% cotton for me for 315 Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. Gives you all the details, makes it very simple. So right now I'm just ironing it. Then make sure that you do lint roll to get all that lint off, and then we're going to fold it in half and put a crease right down the middle so we know where the middle is when we're aligning our design. So then again, I'm going to preheat my surface for 5 seconds, get a little hot, then I'm going to take my design and put it in the middle. So following that crease, I'm going to put it between the eyeballs and the center of the mouth. And then we're only going to do one eyeball at a time, or one piece of it at a time, for only half the time, so 15 seconds for me, because we are doing different colors and layering. So when it's cold to touch, I went ahead and slowly peeled it off, being careful because it's not 100% stuck on there. Then after we slowly peel it off, we're going to take our white and just align it to where it goes. Then we're going to cover it back up and go for the full 30 seconds this time for each piece. And then after that, when it's slightly cold to touch, then we can peel it off and have the finished result. This is so crazy and cool at the same time. Like, look at that. So you can get crazy with it and do an emoji that fits your personality. Me, I would definitely be the roll eyes because I can catch an attitude pretty quickly, and something I'm working on. And another thing would definitely be like a heart eye emoji for me because I'm a big romance person. I love romantic movies, so it was really up to you. It would be actually really fun to see like what you would choose for somebody else, like your family or friend group. And these are the finished products. Like, how quick and easy was this? Let me know in the comments down below, if you were bottled up into an emoji, what emoji would you be? And if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. Also, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell, that way you can be the very first one to watch my new videos. And I'll see you next time. Have a happy and safe Halloween. Bye.